Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to link your GitHub account to VS Code. As you can see, I've already opened the VS Code. Now it's time to link my GitHub account. Now before I do so, you simply need to open the Chrome browser and here simply type git download. It will be the very first website, so simply click on it. Now on this website, you will find a download link to install on Windows. So make sure you have installed it. If you don't know how to install it, I have already created a video on it. So link of that video will be in the description. So please do check it out. After the installation, you have to go to VS Code. In VS Code, you will find this button sign in at the top. And here you will find the accounts icon. Okay. And here you can see it is also written sign in to use GitHub Copilot. You can click it here or you can click it here. I'll click here. Now as you can see, I got this dialog and here I will click on continue with GitHub. Let's click on it. So the page will open like this. Here you need to enter your username as well as your password. Let me do so. Click on sign in. You might need to verify your device. So simply check your email, put the code and click on verify. Once you verify your device, you will get this sort of output, and here simply click on continue, click on authorize, click on open Visual Studio Code. So let's see what we got here. So we are logged in, and if I'll click on this accounts icon, I can see my username. Also, once you're done with this, you simply need to click on view, then click on terminal. Now simply click on this down arrow and click on get bash. You can close it by clicking on this delete icon. Now maximize it. So we are logged in using our GitHub account, but we have to configure the Git with our identity. Let me show you two commands that we have to run. So these are two commands. You need to configure it using your username as well as using your email. Simply copy it, paste it here, press enter. So the name is configured. Now we need to configure the email. So simply replace this part with your email, copy it, paste it and press the enter key. That's all what you have to do to configure Git. Once you have done that, that means you have successfully linked your GitHub account with the VS Code. I'll provide these commands in the description of this video. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.